The Boss CS-3 Compressor Sustainer Pedal. It's versatile with 4 control knobs: level, tone, attack, and sustain. Some ask, what does a compressor do? My explanation, it keeps your loud notes from peaking and it brings your soft notes loud into the forefront. The result is a smooth overall even sound. Sometimes I use compression as an effect on my clean sounds. It gives me that punch and spank. Here's clean with compression engaged. And here is clean with no compression. Kind of wimpy without. With a high-gain distorted guitar tone, it feels as if the notes are just pouring out of your fingers. Here's with no compression, and then I will engage the compressor. I like how every note is brought to the forefront with the compression engaged. If you're looking for a pedal to even out your notes, I can tell you the Boss CS-3 does just that for me. I love this pedal, and I bet you'll love it also.